Lesson 21, using your strobes to photograph large groups. So you will need 2 or 3 flashes to get this done. This method actually do give you a lot of control on your light instead of having a single flash here in the middle, just producing flat light straight from the front. Normally that is how it would be done, flash on the camera straight from the front, or there would be a kind of a stereo setup where there's one flash on this side firing that way and one flash on this side firing that way. And the only problem doing it like the crossover method like this with the 2 flashes on the sides is when you have when people are standing and you've got a group at the back, then normally there will be shadows falling towards the back. So this is going to help tremendously with that. You set up your 3 flashes, stack them close together. The first flash is going to be on a lower setting. You're going to have to play with this depending on your light. The sun is going to be slightly at the back, and the flashes are going to be firing from the opposite direction for the filling. So the first one is going to be set to a very wide zoom. To get soft light, it's going to be dialed down a little bit. The second flash is going to be set up a little bit stronger, and the zoom is going to be set slightly lower, let's say around about 70 or so. And then your third light is going to be set higher, even to like a quarter, a half, or to full power, aiming towards the side of your group. And the zoom is going to be on its very narrow, just to make sure that enough light reaches the person at the furthest end. If you have more people, let's say you have three rows of people standing there, ask the first row to sit down, or just to go a little bit lower, and make sure that the tallest people are at the back. And then you're going to be taking the shot from here. This really works very well if you need to use your strobes to take photos of a group. So please read through the instructions. Remember to do the worksheet right at the end as well. And we're looking forward to seeing you at the next session.